Welcome to BMPC Coaching Center. Today we will discuss on rational and irrational numbers or number system. It is the first chapter of 9th standard ICSE and CBSE. Okay. I will show the pattern how we will study on the chapter of rational and irrational number. According to that, we will discuss. Okay. Firstly, we will discuss on types of number. Types of number. Okay. Today we will discuss on types of numbers, proving the number in rational or irrational number, or converting fractional number into decimal number or vice versa. And fourthly, we will discuss on converting irrational number into decimal numbers. And fifthly, we will discuss on finding in between numbers of rational numbers and irrational numbers. And sixth, we will represent the rational and irrational numbers in a number line. How it will discuss by in sixth category. And seventh category is rationalization of a denominator. And this eighth category is simplification. Clear? Today I will try my level best to complete minimum 4 categories. Okay, let's start the class. Okay, number system. Number system. there are two types of numbers are there in the world, that is real number and another is imaginary number. Okay, real numbers are that numbers which are used in our mathematical calculation and normally we use. Okay, imaginary numbers, this is a scientific numbers, or we can say I is a imaginary number, that is root of -1. Okay, which is used in a quadratic equation. That's why we use in imaginary numbers. It is not required for us nowadays. It will studied in a +2. Okay, in a +2 category. Now we will discuss on real number. Real number is further divided into two categories: rational number and irrational number. Okay, real numbers are further divided into two categories, that is rational and irrational number. Rational numbers. What is rational number? The number which can be written in the form of P by Q. So the number can be written in the form of P by Q. All are called rational numbers. Irrational numbers. Remaining rational numbers. After remaining rational numbers, which are remains, that all are irrational numbers, we can say. Or the number which cannot be written in the form of P by Q is called irrational number. Okay, with the number which cannot be written in the form of P by Q, all are called irrational number. Clear? One more thing, the perfect root ups are called rational numbers and non-perfect root ups are called irrational numbers. For example, root 4 is a rational number, but root 8 is a irrational number because it is not a perfect root of a number. So it is a irrational number. Because it is a perfect root of 2. 2 the square is 4. And cubed root of 8 is a rational number, but root 8 is a irrational number. Clear? Cubed root of 8 is a rational number because its value becomes 2. Clear? Further, we will classify the numbers. Rational number. Rational number further classified into three categories. 1. Integer. 2. Fractional. 3. Decimal. Clear? Integer. The numbers, complete value numbers, are called integers. There are further divided into three categories. 1. Negative integer, special number called 0, okay, and positive integer. Positive integers called as a natural numbers. That are starts from 1 to up to infinite. Clear? And combination of special number and positive integer called as a whole number. That are starts from 0 to dot up to infinite. Clear? Negative integer starts from -1 to dot minus infinite. Clear? Minus infinite. Okay. Now natural numbers. Natural numbers further classified into two categories. Sorry, 4 categories. Natural number further classified into 4 categories, that are prime number, composite number, even number, odd number. Clear? Prime number, composite number, even number, and odd number. Prime numbers. We know prime numbers are that numbers whose factors is 2. Whose factor is 2. 2 factors are there. Okay. One is itself, another is 1. Clear? Composite numbers are that numbers which has more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Even number which is divided by 2. Odd number which is does not divided by 2. Clear? Okay. Prime number. Prime numbers further classified into 3 categories. Co-prime, relative prime, and twin prime. Okay. Prime numbers further classified into 3 categories, that are co-prime, relative prime, and twin prime. Co-prime. 2 prime numbers comparison is called co-prime numbers. For example, 2 and 3 is a co-prime to each other. Co-prime to each other. Whose HCF is 1 and LCM is the product of 2 numbers. That is 6. Clear? Relative prime numbers are that numbers which is one is prime number or its product and another's prime number or its products. Comparison is called relative primes. For example, 2 and 14. 3 and 14. 3 and 14. 3 and 14 are relative prime number. 3 is a relative prime number of 14 and 14 is a relative prime number of 3. Clear? Are relative prime numbers whose HCF also 1 and LCM also their product. Clear? Relative prime is this. Or example we can say 9 and 14. Clear? Anything you can. That may be product or that may not be a prime numbers. Are called relative prime numbers. Relative prime numbers. Clear? And twin prime. Twin prime numbers are that numbers. The prime numbers in between number is 2 or the difference is 2. We can say the difference is 2. That is 2 and 3 is a co-prime but not twin prime because their difference is 1. It may be relative prime. It is a co-prime but not a relative prime. Clear? So twin prime is 3, 5 is a twin prime. 3, 5 is a twin prime. We can say co-prime. we can say 3 and 5 is a twin prime, or we can say is a co-prime. Clear? Okay. Next, fractional number. Then we will see the fractional number. Okay. Fractional number. Fractional number further classified into three categories: proper fraction, improper, and mixed fraction. Clear? Proper fraction, whose denominator is more than the numerator. Whose denominator is more than the numerator. For example, 3 by 5. Whose denominator is more than the numerator. It is here the numerator, here the denominator. Denominator is more than the numerator. Are all types of fractions are called proper fractions. Clear? Improper fraction. The fractional number whose numerator is more than the denominator. Is more than the denominator. Numerator is more than the denominator. More than the denominator. Is this type of numbers are called, this type of fractional numbers are called improper fraction. And mixed fraction. 1 by 3. This is a mixed fraction. One complete value and another is a fractional value. This type of things are called mixed fraction. Whenever we comparison, we will got another two types of fractional number on comparison. On comparison, we will get two types of fractional number, that is like fraction and unlike fraction. When we compare with the two fractions that are 3 by 4 and 7 by 4. These two, 3 by 4 like fraction of 7 by 4, or 7 by 4 is a like fraction of 3 by 4, because here the denominator is same. In like fraction, the denominator becomes same. That type of fractions are called as like fractions. Unlike fractions are 3 by 5 and 4 by 7. The denominators are not same. These type of things are called unlike fractions. Clear? Like fraction, unlike fraction, clear? Now we will go for decimal numbers. Now we will go for decimal numbers. Decimal number. There are two types of decimal numbers. One, terminating decimal and a non-terminating decimal. One is terminating decimal and another is a non-terminating decimal. Clear? Terminating decimal numbers. The decimal numbers whose end, which will be ended. Okay. After 2, after 3, after 4 or after 5, it will end. Because whenever one fractional number we will take, their remainder becomes 0. Their remainder becomes 0. That type of numbers are called terminating numbers. For example, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is called 0.5. It is ended, or his remainder is 0. Clear? Whose remainder is 0. Or we can say 0.459. Okay. After that, there is no values. This is called a terminating numbers. This is called a terminating number. Clear? Clear? Non-terminating number. There is no end. There is no end of the number is called a non-terminating number. Okay, there is no end is called a non-terminating number. This is also further divided into two categories. Further divided into two categories. One, recurring number, and another is non-recurring number. Recurring number and a non-recurring number. Okay. Recurring number, who is repeated. After one number it will repeat, after three numbers it will repeat, or from starting it will repeat also. For example, 0.3 to the power bar, or we can say 0.33333 dot 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 dot. Okay, it will repeat, the 3 will repeat, and we can say 0.495 bar, that means is equal to 0.49595 dot 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 dot. Clear? Or another type is 1.243 to the power bar, that is 1.24333 dot 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 dot. Bar is representing the repeating or recurring numbers. Bar is representing the recurring numbers. Clear? So this type of recurring numbers are there. Non-recurring and non-terminating numbers are called as irrational numbers. Are called as irrational. Are called as irrational numbers. Clear? Are called as irrational numbers. So, for example, irrational numbers are that 0.1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, dot 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 dot. This type of numbers are called irrational numbers. This type of numbers are called irrational numbers. There is no repeating. First time 1 or 2, 1 1 2, 1 1 1 1 2, 1 1 1 1 3, dot 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 dot. Like this, there is no repeating and non-terminating. No and no repeating or recurring numbers are called as irrational numbers. Are called as irrational numbers. Clear? Are called as irrational numbers.